Kublai pi baro syakatup Khuborjylla ke Donbosco Media Network. Imat kiba kongsan mentara sini kilong. Ngim pediang ya ke public hearing. Kani kedai tang ke jing sedang. Laong uba ardan. Mu ke VPP ban kurup bor sensyar haus nam hajar arpukra. Kelem uding ba hasurok ba NH6 hashnong kuinain. Ban. Shngan u Dr. DRL nonglat ban job hak election MP Shiteng Samoy. Parmentang ini apai syaki Khubor kiba kambanya. U President ka Voice of the People Party VPP ba Arden Mila Basayomon, habakran haka Jylla ka balingkot hakmat parking lot ka Additional Secretariat, haka Henry tarik Nailar ulaong. Ka party lembat upat ba kilawan bantur bat tawyar ya ka Secretariat, ban penken mau ya ka sorkar, ka balajuko ban aikam aijam ya ki Samla, Henry ulaong kralong leno kat ba ka kampat ka jingai bak labak na kani ka jingkren kopya. Ulak kentho ru da ka boong. Bun kinong tre sorkar kiyo tulop shisin lai benai ni sau benai. Ulai ka jing kublai ba kerpang ni kipat ba ki balawan ban shimbenta ha ka ni ka jing mi pat ba ka balapan isai ba ki lama de ki jing e ki ba bun jat na ki jing listing ka ni ka sorkar. Ulat her teng e ru halor ka public hearing ka balong dangshen ha ilaka nongkli daistong ha ka ba ki bor ba penyat kim shimla ailat satya ya ki briu ki ba shakta na kata ka jing thmu bantei ya ka karkhana sando bilat ha ka tei ka jaka. Kumta ulaong ka VPP kampediang ya ka tei ka public hearing bat ka ni ka jingwan tur jongki sekretariat ka dei tang ka jing sedang lada ka sorkar kadang le menti kin senang penklan syusyu ya ka jingye ki hakipor banwan.
Examination berpeluang dengan West Candidates District DSC. Hari ini saya akan cancel. Lalu parti kelawat korban disaki kemudian berikan dikatakan ini kerana ini exam tidak mengapa kita terpoi tidak dicoba ini padahal ini kita dia bandung terpes nanti. Hanya terlalu berada pasal yang terlalu ada kiri kiri hak makhluk lagi terus bersama kita. Yang manusia pada tu examination berpeluang dari DSC representatives kami ada kampam dan cancel yang baru untuk exam. Kemudian kalau begini tu bagi pesan dan penting juga. Jadi mereka cepat balik. Tidak kita tahu. Oh, yang ini sekarang yang menuskum, umas uskum makiasnya keren. Ini menuskum. Kalau bahagian dari jatuh, kalau orang mengenal bangsa, kalau orang dia berbuat betul, bersalah dan. Wangkal ini uskum mereka bersabung ulah bangsa, mencuci berbetul kondisi berbadan ini nak terjadi. Silakan khasmat sampai lanjut bersama. Kak ada pengasyong hari ini berikut. Ada yang besar. Alina, betul bagian kelima. Tikran dia apa? Baik ini. Panglima berpikir dari cara bisa berapa harta kisahnya? Oleh itu, ia masih resmi pada Jylla staf tersedia kata-kata. Mereka upaya banyak, nampak lain jong kecacatan kampanye dalam dengan semua menurut anda pengerti menjadi cepat mereka tinggi. Ada apa yang saya Bagi dua belas jimat yang luar. Ketong berjumlah Al-Quran, Voice of the People Party dan grup yang luas kita. Saya untuk kita. Presiden ada kurang sebelah, antara tiga mereka. Kecicap kau yang mana? Kecicap kau yang yang semuanya kuat. Kecicap kau yang sini kemana betul betul. pusat tolong melawan pria ke aku. Jangan kita Indonesia, jangan poin seperti itu kaki. Kemudian Indonesia juga akan tekan.
Ki nongelam kaseng VPP haka jingat tawiyar saudong ya ka sekretariat haka handriu tarik Nailar bandawa na ka sorkar ban penurlong ya ki shipau mat jingdawa bakala terwa ban pentrikam kila pertasla de ki sur ki bajam bakila penkre ban kurup ya ka bor sensyar lengba ka mon upad ba haus 6,000 arpupra ki pulit kila penbiang bha ya ki lat pahara haka ni kasngi ki MLA MDC ki Samla barkinong kershan ka seng VPP kila pertasla ya ka jingsuki ka sorkar ha ka jingelam jong menteri rangba ban pli ya ki lat yo kam yo jam na ka bentah ki Samla ki pat ba ki balawan ban yashim bentah kila perta da ki kitin power da ka baong menta ngidang syutur haus 6,000 apupra ngin kurup no ya ka bor sensyar da ka sorkar bathamai
Mentang-mentang syukur, aku berani turun. Mentang-mentang syukur, aku berani turun. Mentang-mentang syukur, aku berani turun. Sri Siman, go back to that Anguna. Sri Siman, go back, go back. Sri Siman, go back, go back. Sri Siman, go back, go back. Long live BBP. Long live BBP. Long live BBP. Masyad ketutun din. Yarin yang hukum namran. Terang tanay kecil. Datarang bersirnya. Anak mak. Sudah sakit rasa. Bila pernah dan sekarang saja. Itu satu menit banyak orang tidak. Karena mak. Terus dalam apa? Kitam suku cerah, kitam suku cerah. Bala tema mala, sebab seulut na, balas na cepat kencang. Nasib kecil pembin, nasib kecil pembin. Lain yang open beneran, sekarang kami keseleng, sekarang bersirnya.
Way uding ba ula klem hapadeng surok ba National Highway 6 ha Shillong Quinine Riboy District haka por pembalai shiteng no sngi haka handriu tarik Nailar. Kani ka jingja kalawan ra ya ka dheng kali shipor ya ki bahyar bat keu na Guwahati Shillong. Na kani ka jing klem uni uding ba am shamdan kanu ka jing mensaw ya ki breu ni ka jing julor ya ki yeng kisan. Mareyo ajing tip halor kani ka jingja kinong tre ka National Highways Authority of India NHAI kilawan marmar ban krai lingkot yaw ni uding. Kertong ke National People's Party NPP Dr. DRL Nonglait ulapan pau ya kajing sngoshngan ban job hak election shiteng samoy sya kayeng dorbar thawan Lok Sabha ban 1 da ka baong. Kajing yalap election hak keleng kishnong kapen I ya kajing kershan bashit rahem jongki pat ba. Habakran berkilat pathai Khubor ulaya thu haka jinglet yalap election kabalayat benta lakumbasan hadu hendriu benai kalong kaba ahai jingkermen bha namar lajio iya ka jingkershan kabajur nakipat ba kumban syukudau hangde u Dr. DRL Nonglait udai uwe naki kertong ban aireng hakane ke election shiteng samoy nalor u kertong ka VPP Congress UDP bat kiwe.
I keep my pace slow and steady, but the response is quite positive, and I hope we will achieve the goals, and with the support of the people, I don't have any doubt that we will come out successfully.
Between like professionals.
There is no such battle as you have said, like professional. This is election, and everyone can join the fray. Be he or she a teacher, an administrator, or anyone. It is always challenging. I should not take it lightly, but then I'm sure that we will come out.
Uba Arden Miller Basayo Moit President ke VPP Uba Layalam ya kajingat pat ba saudong ke sekretariat haka Hendriu tarik Nailar ulaong. Ngidang up ya kajubab naka sorkar da kapa pentrekam ya kiship homat baka seng kala dawa ban pentrekam. Ladan na kaliang gibor sensyar kim patiaw ngin sa shim daki way pat kirai hakisni banwan.
Thank God. Okay, for the weather. I would also like to thank all the participants who have participated in this peaceful march which the party had decided, and we are happy to see the response of the people as far as this peaceful march is concerned. So as we have said that we are going to conduct this peaceful march to convey a message to the government that we are not happy with the style of functioning of the government on many issues. And those issues have been highlighted from time to time. So we will now disperse from this march as we have already completed the march, and we will wait for some time what will be the response of the government.
So are you submitting any memorandum to the government?
No. We had decided as a party not to submit any memorandum because every time we had written to the government on many issues. But it is unfortunate that the government never responded to us in writing or even call us for discussion, which is why we don't feel the need to submit a fresh memorandum or petition to the government on these issues, which the government itself is aware of these issues.
Sir, how many people participated in this protest march?
I think it will be very difficult for me, but I think you must have seen the crowd is huge, spontaneous, and especially in a working day like this.
Yesterday the CM said that these issues should be debated in the assembly, not in the street. Your response?
I think as a witness, you had been a witness how time is allotted to the opposition members in the assembly and how space were being taken by the members belonging to the ruling party. They in fact get more time than the member belonging to the opposition party. So we hardly get enough and sufficient time to discuss various issues. We are not shying away from debating, okay, whether we lose or win in the debate, but we representing fact before the government. So I think that is just an excuse maybe on the part of the government.
We have seen that VPP conduct this protest march very peacefully, and in fact VPP volunteers were actually managing the traffic. If you can tell us about this.
Because you see, our supporters, our volunteers, and all those who are supporting us are made to understand that we will do anything which is peaceful and which is right. We don't have any intention to create any law and order problem. We don't have any intention to create public inconveniences. So which is why we have made our stand very clear. We have repeatedly asked those who are going to participate that they should honor the instruction of the party, which is why you see this protest as you see today.
The government as well as said that they are willing to have a dialogue with you, the party. So what will be your response?
You see, these are the issues which in fact the government itself, it is the responsibility of the government to deal with these issues. We are the opposite.
Ki pulit jong ka is khasi hills ka step riu tarik Nailar kila penklan bhai ki bor pahara hasilenter bat saudong ka sekretariat ban khangla de kinu ki jingja basnosi na ka jingye ki balakot da ka voice of the people party menta ka sngi ban ker tawiar ya ka sekretariat bat pandawa ya ki shipau tili kimat baga party kalabu hakmat ka sarkar ban pentrikam. Kani kajing penklan bor pahara nadu mau bena IGP point kerdop sekretariat DC berhakmat ying ulat ke Jylla. Lasa kiru baki pulit kila ker sertap ya ke kerdop sekretariat bat penbiang syrak ya ki kali pelibding bat ki kali balate tenghung ladaki kanu kajingja pasngausi. Bat lagi tu ki khubor ng lapoi siya bakut tak hadu bangin daya siyan biang kublay sibon.